mentioned, the thinner fiber would have this downside of getting frizzy, but when it's braided, it's not gonna get frizzy. So yeah, it's a pretty good side to have. Okay, so this is lace front wig. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. 13 by 4 inches. And I'm just gonna put this one on. If you guys want to see anything, details, or if you guys have any questions, please go ahead to ask. I would love to help you guys. Oh. Here we go. Yeah, this one is about $35 as well, and it has been highlighted. This one is J010, but I don't think the one is been highlighted. The link been highlighted is exactly this one. It's another braided one. So it's a braided on the top and it's a wavy on the end. But this one, what I'm doing right now is J010, and you guys can see how long it's gonna be. Alright. Yeah, this is pretty easy to wear and it's not messy. No more work to need to be done. If you really want to find something to do, you can add some metal to decorate everywhere, and so it can fit for you. Alright.